Here is how I restored these yellow headlights and got them like new again. Of course, we start by taping the paint around the headlight, making sure to preserve the paint of the car. Today, the headlight is not so bad, so I will start with 1500 grit sandpaper. Always try to start with the highest grit possible. No need to extend your sanding process. The lower grit you start with, more sanding steps are needed to smoothen the surface and bring that shine again. Sometimes it is required to go low grit though. If the headlight has a hard clear coat, you have no choice. The first sanding step usually takes a bit more time than the following ones. Check out how the side I sanded is now white instead of yellow. This is how you can tell if the oxidation is removed. Have you restored headlights before? Tell me your experience in the comments. Let's continue sanding and take all the oxidation off. After that, I go with 2000 grit and start sanding in the opposite direction, making sure I cover all the horizontal scratches from the previous grit. This is the best way to hand sand and not miss a spot. Dry, inspect, and move on. Last grit, 2500. Sanding in horizontal motion and covering all the vertical scratches. Each sanding step takes 3 to 5 minutes. Now onto the polishing. I use Coke Chemi Orange Medium Cut Compound and Orange Pad. They are linked in the description. Applying 4 or 5 dots and dabbing in on the headlight. Spread on the lowest speed, and once you start polishing, bring up the speed by a notch or two. Use lower speed on the edges. It's easy to burn the polycarbonate. Peel off the tape and clean the headlight and around it. I am using hard wax to seal the headlight. It gives some more shine and protection. For the longest lasting result, I advise you to wrap the headlight in PPF. Spreading the wax by hand using a sponge, waiting for it to dry off, and buffing out with microfiber towel. And this is the result. Nice shine and clarity and a broken bulb inside. Like and subscribe if I helped you. Comment your experience with headlight restoring. Check out my other videos. Until next time.